Alright guys, back here with another video. It's cool dog. We got a package here. For those of you who do not know how I'm doing, I have an Instagram. I'll have it pop up right about here. Alright, make sure you go follow. I do notifications of when I'm about to do a video soon, or when I'm about to start streaming. Make sure you check that out, so you'll know when I'm streaming or when I'm about to upload a video within like a week. Alright, this package just came in. I was in the middle of a game. I went to go get it. This package is probably about not even an hour old, okay? So on my Instagram, it's also gonna be in on the description, my Instagram. I'm gonna put this down here. I said on my Instagram that if you liked setup videos and unboxing videos, I'm gonna be doing one. So we're gonna be doing it here on my floor. I'm gonna move it down to the floor. Alright, give me a second. Let me angle this down to the floor. Alright, let me get this bad boy down here. I'm also going to have to take some measurements because I put alright, this is a gaming disc. Ta-da, mystery solved. I didn't tell you what it was in my Instagram. Some of you might be here from my Instagram. Alright, unboxing video, let's go. Let me get snake eyes real quick. Hold on. Meet my boy Snake Eyes. Here we go. AKA Problem Solver and Mr. Persuasion. Alright, let's get this thing open. Holy, that is good. It is actually going right where I'm standing. And this is like 33 inches. I'm hoping this desk like folds out or something. And hopefully it's like really... Holy. I don't want to miss anything. Alright, get one more look at the box before I destroy this thing. Alright, come on, Snake Eyes. Dang, should I keep the box though? Nah, I'm gonna cut this thing open a little bit. This is a knot. That's not a knot. Alright guys, that's the work of Snake Eyes. That's actually a legit name too. I'm calling it by its legit name, Snake Eye. Well, it's called Snake Eye, but whatever. I like Snake Eyes there. Snake Eyes. Alright, one last look at the box. And the box is gone. Now we're dealing with this box. Holy, that's heavy. Class A. Whoa. Look at that. Damage to the box. I might have to send it back already. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Seen it here first. Holy. Come on, Snake Eyes. There you go. Snake Eyes. Alright. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Oh, man. This is the right side. Oh, man. Hold on. Give me a second here, man. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, that was weird. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Snake Eyes guys. Let me see you for a minute. Thank you. Actually, let me use the back side. Okay, that might be instructions. Not try this at home, kids. I am a professional. Snake Eyes is a professional too. Thank you, Snake Eyes. Alright, we got some tools here. I'll sit that down. Okay. Some box. Let's throw that to the side. Oh man, I almost had that fall. I got some stuff to the side. That's one of the legs right here. Look at that. That sits up pretty tall, huh? Heck yeah. That's pretty big. Alright. Let's set that to this side. Alright, we'll just sit it to the side here. Alright. This is probably up in here. That's the brand right there. That's the disc. That's the one I got. Okay. We got the insulation. Oh, wait a minute. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is like a headphone thing. Come on back here, Snake Eyes. Yeet. Oh. Hold up. Yeet. Again, kids, do not try this at home. I am a professional. Ask your parents to cut this open. Alright, this is a stand for your headphones or your controller or whatever. I play keyboard and mouse, so I won't have to worry about controller stand. But I do still have like a couple of controllers that I use my freaking headphones, so I play on PlayStation on keyboard and mouse. So it's, oh yeah, we got the instructions, guys. All right, let's see here. This is what it's gonna look like. Hold up a minute. That's what it's gonna look like right there. Holy moly! All right. This might be too much for me to do a setup video. Oh man. Well, this is a pretty good bit, guys. We got some more stuff here. Let me see. I got something else coming in. I thought it would be around here about the same time, but it isn't. It was supposed to be a 2-thing setup video at once. But I don't know what this is for. Okay, this is a go across. Okay, this is supposed to go under the darn thing. Okay. Guys. Okay. I know I said I was going to do a setup video. But if this looks... there's a cup holder. This looks a little hard, guys. I might need some help with this. Yeah. I'm not really the instructions type guy, so this is going to take a while. I don't believe in instructions one little bit. And the last time I set up something like this, it took about 3 hours. And I know y'all are not going to watch all that, because unless y'all are a big fan of this brand, even if y'all were, you're probably not going to watch that. Come here, Snake Eyes. I mean, at least y'all stuck around for the parts. Let me see real quick. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Okay, let me just show y'all everything that comes with it real quick. Alright? This right here is what I was excited about. The second thing, the first thing I was excited about was the disc. But this as well, this is the mouse pad. Okay? Look at that. Oh, I'm going to start from top to bottom. Hold on. This top. Going all the way to the bottom. Look at that. It better be 47 inches, because that's what I ordered. Let me see. Let me find the tape measure. And it in tape measure right here. And it be it's kind of wrinkled up a little bit. It's not wrinkled, but it's like it's kind of it's not at a straight angle, and I measured 46, so it's most likely 47. Okay, I think it has a measurement over here. No, it is not. Okay. But yeah, it's about 47 inches. Okay, so I ordered that. They sent me the right thing. All right, they sent me the right thing. They know who they're dealing with. Right? Am I right? Yeah, they know who Cool Dog is. They watch me. They're one of my 15 views, please. Guys, I'm asking for a lot of views on this one, alright? Even though it's not a setup video, alright? Alright, before I reveal the actual desk, it folds. That's why the box is so big, it folds. The desk folds. Alright? I'm sorry. This is not going to be a setup video. There's about 5,000 darn screws here. Alright? It's more complicated than I thought it was going to be. And as I said, I do not believe in instructions. Okay? So, I'm going to do one of those magical things where I put my hand in front of the camera and I put it back out, and all of a sudden the desk is there, okay? We're going to do that. We're going to try that because I never did that before. I'm so excited to do that. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Alright. Holy. Oh, it was a little plastic protecting the disc. A little paper. I don't have coronavirus, so I was just playing. I do not. Trust me. Alright. Let's go. Let's see this disc. Alright. Those protectors? I think those are protectors. I don't know. I don't believe in instructions, so I'll find out myself later. Oh my lord. Okay. This, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I think this darn disc clicks together. All right. This is what it's gonna look like. Look at that. Look at that darn carbon finish right there. Look at that. Can you see it? I don't know if you. Yep, you can see it right there. Look at that carbon finish. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah, bro. Let's go, brother. All right. Alright, that should be it, guys. Let me see. Alright. Y'all ready to do the magic camera thing? Let's get it. Alright. And 3, 2, yeah! Ooh, let's go. I told you it'll be faster. I'm done. Can you believe that? And look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Beauty right there. Look at that beauty. I told you it took me like 5 hours. It's even dark outside, okay? Trust me, I saved you a lot of time. You don't want a freaking setup video, okay? Alright. Especially without the instructions. I looked at the instruction manual one time. Did not like it. I just did something stupid and I didn't realize it. Look at that. Boom, baby. Smooth. That magic, hey, I even made my bed too. Look at that. Look at that, man. I'm awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. I have another surprise coming in. Something else. You probably already know what it is since I got the desk. There's something missing, isn't there? There's something missing for the desk, huh? I already got a keyboard and mouse over there. Y'all already know what it is. But I'm still not going to tell you because there might be some people who don't know what it is. Which they probably do, but maybe not. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. The link is going to be down in the description for this, or where I got it, on Amazon, where else. Alright. Make sure you like and subscribe. And, you know, maybe turn the bell notifications on. Alright, leave a couple comments down there. Alright. It's your boy Cool Dog. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.